You know, every single one of you has something in your life that you're absolutely brilliant at. Think about that one thing in your head right now that you know. One thing you're great at. You're just like, I'm really fucking good at this thing. Then ask yourself the question, how long have you done it for? When did you start doing it? But because you know now, that one thing you're saying, you're thinking in your head what it is, I promise you'll go back, you've done it a lot, consistently even, and you got good at it. Maybe you got good at cooking. Maybe you got good at dealing with your children. Maybe you got good at being able to go to the gym and now you can lift the weights you want to. Whatever it is, you're going to find behind the thing that you're really good at, consistency, mastery. So the question becomes, if you just apply that same logic to whatever it is that you want in your life, you go and create the life you want to have. You create the pillars in your life you want to create. You go and you focus on that and you apply mastery to it.